Say this shit again. Say it again.
What did I say? You misheard me.
You know what you said. Say that shit again. Say it again.
Bro, why are you coming this
Say it
close,
again.
brother?
Say it again.
Like, I feel
Say it
uncomfortable
again.
right now.
Shit, I'm late. Hurry up, Montana, I'm late for work. I'm 2 hours late. Okay, I gotta go, sorry. Come on, start. Start, I'm late for work. I got an Uber call.
Is your name Bobby?
Yeah?
I'm your Uber today, bro.
What?
Yeah, I'm your Uber rider.
Hold on. I'm getting a motorcycle as my Uber?
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable with that, man.
Why you not comfortable, bro? You look pretty tough. Just hop on my crotch rocket, bro. Just a little heads up. The backseat kind of vibrates. I don't want you to get horny and shit. Most men, their G-spot is in their asshole. I don't want no funny games and shit. I'm a straight dude.
I feel like I'm gonna be in like...
Bro, you being a pussy about it or what? I'm your Uber today. I take you to destination.
I'm waiting for...
No, I'm your Uber today.
No,
If you check on your phone, my name is Mustafa.
Where's your car? I need a
No car. It says the Yamaha, no?
No, it doesn't, no. What
My
happened to your car?
stupid boss, I keep telling them to upgrade. They to put a motorcycle and they keep putting a car. It's okay, I take you.
No,
I resolve this problem tomorrow.
No,
Let's go.
no,
You
no,
have
no.
fun in the back, roller coaster. Ooh.
Oh, hell no. No.
My English no good. Ari, tell him. Eh?
Yeah,
Let's
no,
go.
that's not happening. No.
Why you mad at me up, eh?
It says you have a car.
Let's go. I'm very mad now. Why are you
Yes.
canceling it?
Because, I'm not gonna
Why
get
did you
on
give
the
me
bike
bad
with
rating
you.
right now?
Because this is a joke. You can't just show up on a bike. It says you have a car, okay? It says you have a Honda Civic, right? And this is not a Honda Civic. Now you're gonna make me late for my shoot. So
I don't make you late. I
Yes.
get you there in 3 minutes.
No, you're not.
We do
Like,
couple
this is-
wheelies and stuff. And
No,
you
no,
do
no.
like
I'm
free
gonna
Six
report
Flags,
you.
man. Who
I'm
doesn't
gonna
like Six
report you.
Flags?
I-
Do you
I'm-
like Six Flags?
You know
Roller
what?
coaster? Let's go. Your Uber. I'm your Uber ride.
What you got in?
A motorcycle, Yamaha Uber. Uber does bikes now.
Since when?
That's you right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, bro. Huh?
I'm not getting on that thing.
Why not?
You don't have a car, bro?
Huh?
You don't have a car?
No, my car broke down. I have to use this now. You don't want to?
Hell no. Cancel this shit, bro. What the fuck?
Why are you getting all aggressive and shit?
Bro,
You don't like
pulled
bike
up with a
rides?
motorcycle, bro. It's fucking Uber, bro.
Bro, this shit is so fun. The back vibrates, so you're gonna like it. It's only gay if
I
you
don't
think
judge-
it's gay,
I
brother.
don't judge nobody.
Bro, we're gonna pop some wheelies and shit. You're gonna hold me and stuff. I'm gonna look like your little bitch.
You need to get the fuck out of here.
Hop on. What do you think? This is a joke or what? Does it look like I joke around, bro?
Uber cycles, man.
It's not Uber cycles, it's motorcycles. Look, I'm gonna teach you. One time only, okay? Your legs go right here, not there, here, okay? Then you're gonna hug me. Hug me right now so I can teach you right here. Okay? Don't go any lower than that, alright? No funny games, right here, okay?
Up there, okay?
No, right here.
No,
Up here, I'm not gonna be able to ride. I can't turn like this. So you go down right here.
I need some padding.
You'll be fine. Up on legs here. Hey man, don't rub up on me, dog. Stand a little back, I can feel your dick. Hey homie, hey bro, you too close, bro.
I gotta be assured of my safety. Like,
There's a
this
little
is
stick
tiny
pointing on my ass.
feet.
Don't scream too much, okay? No whining in this ride.
I'm reporting you.
Yeah, you take a good picture like this one right here.
You can't. Yeah, there you go. Perfect with your face.
Let
shade.
me
Awesome.
see the
So
picture.
they know. Like,
Is
you
it
know.
okay to post
So-
on my Instagram?
No. I'm reporting you. Okay?
Why you being so rude? I
stop.
come to pick you up. Hey, gina sikti diya. No ride. You sure you don't want no ride? I give you a lot of rides. One final call. You don't want to go?
Take your motorcycle.
You're a pussy, bro.
What you say?
What?
What you call me, man?
What did I call you?
What did you call me? What you say? Say this shit again. Say it again.
What did I say? You misheard me.
You know what you said. Say that shit again. Say it
Bro,
again.
why you coming this
Say it
close,
again.
brother?
Say it again.
Like, I feel
Say it
uncomfortable
again.
right now.
Say it again.
You trying to
Say it
push me?
again. Say it again.
Bro, you're gonna push me over now.
Say it again.
Hello? Aladdin? Yeah, this lady, I tried to drop her off. She deactivated my account. Call everybody. Let them come.
Because I'm calling the cops. Okay?
She says she called the cops. Call everybody to come to her house. I know where she lives.
Right? Yeah.
The whole team is coming from Africa now. Aladdin, I see you. Air support. We need all the air support. It's a blue house.
I'm calling the cops right now.
Calling the cops. I go now, okay?
I got a picture of your motorcycle of you. And I got a picture of your license plate number. Okay? Yeah. Okay?
You're a pussy.
That was so much fun, guys. I love making these videos, but unfortunately the account got banned. It got reported and Uber shut down the account, so I cannot continue the video. But guess what? I'm not gonna end the video today. We're gonna do something special for this video. I'm having a party later on at night, and I invited some of my friends, and the TNG crew is gonna be here. I'm gonna raid this house. I hired a SWAT team. I wanna get people scared. This is including Alfredo and AJ. 2 weeks ago, we actually got raided in this house. When the cops came, they arrested us. They went inside, they trashed the place.
Put the camera down. The officers.
So I'm bringing it back. I thought it would make sense. You know, people would actually fall for it since we got actually raided. No one knows about it, so I'm gonna try to prank the crew right about now. Let's start this.
I feel like partying right now. I feel like partying right now.
Are you drunk? I'm pretty wasted. Invited a couple homies and stuff. We're having a little get together for a Friday night, guys. But they don't know what's up.
Kilo, they've been telling you that you don't jump in a pool, bro. I ain't jumping in shit today.
Cuzzo finally showed up. We got the midget.
I don't know, but what?
I get what he vlogging.
What are you vlogging? You're
Is this Nacho? Is this
yeah.
Nacho? Supercar! My boy's another hustler over here, bro. Yo, Supercar Suspects, man. Go check him out, bro. He has like 700K. Doing crazy shit on YouTube, yo. The link is in the description, my boy. My boy pull up to the house, bro. Hi, Mary. You did great on the last prank, girl. Playing beer pong or what? We got Danny and my boy that does DJing. What's up, buddy?
Getting lit as hell, man.
You good? So far, so good? We're about to
Means we're supposed to be here, bro. It means we love life, bro. All of us, bro. Everyone here.
You got my best friend right here.
Get out, cumbia.
Oh shit, the midget's back. I thought you were supposed to be drinking, girl.
I went up to a girl and it turned out to be Maluma's girlfriend. I don't even know, bro. I got her number.
Pulling them bitches.
I just spotted a princess. Can you get a shot of me and my princess, please?
Oh my gosh. The princess is here? Oh, the princess is here. The princess is here. Wow. Wasn't that great? Wasn't that gorgeous? Whoa. Get a room, guys. Oh my god. What the? Oh my god.
Give me a 50.
Not asking, it's a trap. You just got the trap.
Top. Who is that?
You want me to say some bullshit?
Yeah.
Bullshit.
up, motherfuckers?
Fuck you! Oh, who's under there?
Let's go, baby.
Fuck you! Where else am I saying fuck you, dude? Hey, that was fuck you!
I thought I snorted it all. What the fuck?
Chris! Opto! What the fuck?
Hell yeah. That's
Oh shit! Bob! Oh shit!
Not Bob.
Go save Bob, bro! Bob's dying! Bob's dying, bro! Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you guys like our content, and put the post notification bell on so you guys don't miss out any future videos. See you guys next time, yo.